How to edit draft reel on Instagram account. So in today's video guys, I will show you how to edit your draft reel on Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this, as you can see now, this plus button at the middle. After you tap on this plus button, all you have to do now, it will open now your camera roll for you. So now go ahead and choose this one. As you can see, tap on this reel at the bottom right side. After you tap on this reel, as you can see now, it will take you to this option. Now tap on this draft option. After you tap on this draft, now you can be able to see all your draft reel on Instagram. So all you have to do now, go and select the one that you want to edit. So for me, let's say I want to edit this one, so I'll tap on it. After you tap on it like this, all you have to do now, tap on this edit button at the top right side, this edit, tap on it. So as you can see now, after you tap on this edit, as you can see now, so in this section now, you can go ahead now and edit your video. As you can see, you can go ahead and edit, add audio, or like add text and add animation. All you have to do now, after you finish editing your video, just tap on this. As you can see now, this arrow. After you tap on this arrow now, you can go ahead and change cover by tapping on this edit button. You can go ahead now and type in your description and tap on this share button. That's it guys on how to edit your draft reel in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.